1906 Locomobile is my inspiration for this Cyclekart build. Here's my drawing that I'm going to be working with. This angle here is what I'm going to use on the frame right here. It will have full suspension, front and rear. I cut these templates so I can mark the curve in the rear and front of the frame, like it shows right here on the drawing. Now let's transfer it to the frame. Now that it has been marked, I'm going to cut it following the markings. Here it is. Now I'm marking here so I can cut as well and use this top strip to wrap around and cover the curve. I will then use this previously cut piece to extend this curve here. Now I'm going to weld it so it can look like this. I'm gonna drill a hole in the rear end and cut the front like this for later. Here's the side angle, the rear already with the hole. Now let's weld it all together. For the front end, I'm gonna cut this 1 5/8 tooth for the front sleeve to sit on the front side. Right here is where it's gonna go. This is what I'm trying to achieve on the front end. Let's cut about a third off of this piece. Make it look like this. Then I'm gonna add 2 washers on each side so it looks like this. Let's go ahead and weld it on, and this is what I'm looking for. Done. I'm gonna cut this other piece here, the cross member. I'm going to use the same curve as the axle that I've already made. I will show you that later on a different video. I'm welding pieces because I don't have a metal bender. Here it is, already done, welded on the frame, as well as this other piece that I already cut is already put together, both sides. There's the rear. Over here, I'm going to need to make a hole and add a little piece of tooth the same width as the leaf spring. So let's go ahead and center that. Once secure, this is its purpose. Front is done. Let's move on to the rear suspension. I welded on this 5/8 threaded rod to hold the shackle. I'm using this sleeve to get rid of the play that is on this shackle, since I made it out of scrap metal. On the front side of the rear suspension, I need to cut a piece of this metal like this. I will then attach it to the bottom on this side. First, I'm going to weld on this nut to hold the stud. First, I'm going to have to make a hole on the two pieces that I just cut. After that's done, I'm going to secure this piece right here on top of this nut. Once this is welded, I will mark and drill 2 holes through the piece to attach it to the frame and hold the ball bearing. Then I will weld these 2 nuts to hold this same piece. Weld it on. Here it is already welded and completed. This is how it's going to look. The frame is now complete and ready for the next step. Thanks for watching and come back again.